Center is a Nigerian non-profit, non-governmental organization whose mission is to alleviate the difficulty faced by indigent youths and women who want to improve their lot by assisting them to get the remedial education needed to enter a higher institution and by helping them acquire computer and job skills that will enable them work and earn money to be able to go to school at the same time.
Inwele Study and Resource Center is a place where young people, especially adolescent girls, are given their job skills, life skills, and the remedial classes they need to move on in life. If they want to go to university, this is where we help them to start passing JAMB and passing their exams. But before they go to that university, we give them that skill that they will use to generate money as they are in the university. That way, they will use it to either pay school fees, or if they have somebody paying their school fees, buy the little things girls need.
Platform for scholars to visit the center and share their knowledge with the students, teachers, and other members of the community.
So here in Bootcamp, actually if I go to my school, I can boast of many things. I've learned mathematics and I've done other things here. Why if I go out there, I can show my talent. Now I can create many designs of my own and paste it online, while others buy from me. And you can see, using all this, I can make money through Bootcamp and all these creativities that I have worked on.
Apart from the usual intensive remedial classes in academic subjects, this year the Bootcamp will give a greater part of its activities to teaching participants such higher computer skills as software installation, web design, and other high-level information technology skills.
Different people united in one goal are making a difference. A world away, a Nigerian professor and a Rockville rabbi working to give people in need a chance to succeed. Shannon Bream has our What's Working report.
These are the faces of Nigerian men and women seeking information and opportunity. Rabbi Howard Gorin saw them firsthand during a trip to Nigeria in 2004 and returned to the States determined to make a difference.
See, a lot of people go and they see the poverty and they meet the people, they fall in love with the people and they make promises. And the promises largely go unfulfilled.
Little did Gorin know, but a passionate Nigerian native and professor at Montgomery College, Dr. Christiana Okechukwu was hard at work trying to send materials back to her homeland where she continued to see enormous needs.
I knew how much giving them books was helping. So I started book drives here. My colleagues at Montgomery College started giving me books to send home.
And it was one of those colleagues who saw a match made in heaven, urging Okechukwu to contact her rabbi about the efforts in full swing at the Tikva Israel congregation. Together, they began collecting books and computer equipment and shipping it back to Nigeria.
When we joined forces, we accomplished a lot. He has the money, he has the connections. I have the Nigerian front. I can negotiate myself and my way around the custom and get the things out in a very quick time.
They're very excited. What did one person call it? A tsunami of...
Professor Okechukwu had many success stories of young men and women whose lives have been transformed by the skills they get from her Inwele Education and Resource Center in Enugu, Nigeria. I like how she sums it up. If you have education, even an armed robber cannot steal it from your brain.